हॅलो स्टुडंट, आज आपण डिमॉर्गन्स थेरम बघणार आहोत. डिमॉर्गन्स थेरम इन लॉजिक गेट इज यूज्ड टू रिप्लेस प्लस साइन into dot and dot sign into plus. We know very well, आपल्याला चांगल्या प्रकारे माहिती आहे प्लस साइन कशात मिळते ऑर गेटमध्ये, डॉट साइन कशात मिळते अँड गेटमध्ये. ठीक आहे, अँड गेटमध्ये डॉट, ऑर गेटमध्ये प्लस. बट दिस De Morgan's theorem is used for two derived gates, that is NOR and NAND gate. So you know NOR gate output will be this one and NAND gate output will be this one. So here we have plus sign, whereas here we have dot sign. So how this plus sign can be converted into dot sign? So for that, De Morgan's gives us two theorem, one for this NOR gate and second theorem is for NAND gate. So in NOR gate, this is our first theorem, De Morgan's first theorem. De Morgan's first theorem states that complement of sum is equal to the product of the complements. Complement of sum is equal to the product of the complements. So with the help of this first theorem, we have converted this plus sign into dot sign. This theorem says that, stated as, complement of sum is equal to the product of the complements or product of the individual complements. That means this is the output equation of our NOR gate. This NOR gate can be replaced by bubbled AND gate. So with the help of De Morgan's this theorem, NOR gate is replaced by bubbled AND gate. Why this is called as bubbled? Because here we have used NOT gate. A complement that is given by our one NOT gate, B complement is given by our another NOT gate. And we know very well that NOT gate can be simply replaced by bubble. So therefore this NOR gate, you know very well, the symbol of NOR gate will be like this. It has two inputs, suppose A and B. Output will be y equals to A plus B whole complement. This is equivalent to what? Bubbled AND gate. That means AND gate with a bubbled. Output will be B complement, and due to this AND gate we have the dot. So this theorem, we can say that NOR gate is equivalent to bubbled AND gate, or complement of sum is equal to the product of the individual complements. इथपर्यंत समजलं. आता आपण या फर्स्ट थेरमचा ट्रूथ टेबल बघू. त्या ट्रूथ टेबलसाठी आपल्याला कंडिशन्स ठेवावे लागतील. We know very well we have two inputs, that means possible combination are 4, that's are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1. So first condition will be when A equals to 0 and B equals to 0. So we have formed here truth table, inputs A, B, left hand side A plus B whole complement, and right hand side will be A dot A complement dot B complement. This is our truth table. Here first condition will be 0 0, we have to be put here. So let us see about left hand side. LHS is what? A plus B whole complement. That's equal to, what is the value of A and B? Put in this equation, that is 0 plus 0 complement. Now firstly we have to make addition and then take its complement. So 0 plus 0 will be 0, that complement as it is. So 0's complement will be 1. So for 0 0 our LHS is 1. So what about RHS? So right hand side we have to be now observed, that is A complement dot B complement. So by putting the values of A and B, we have 0 complement dot 0 complement. Now we have to take individual complements, that is 1 dot 1 equals to 1. So we get LHS equals to RHS for first condition. For second condition, now we have to use 0 1. Second condition, in second condition B should be 1. So I have replaced only B here in this first condition. Now I have second condition. So here 1, B value will be 1, that we have to put as it is. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. Now 1's complement will be 0. So now LHS output for this condition will be 0. For this again we have to put the value of B as 1. So its complement will be 0. This will be same. Therefore 1 dot 0 will be 0. You know very well this. So this is our second condition. In this way you can find the output for 1 0 and 1 1. These third and fourth condition, that output should be our 0 0 0 0. That means we have get LHS equals to RHS. Therefore this first theorem will be true. Like first theorem, now let us see about second theorem. Second theorem is for NAND gate. What is the Boolean equation of NAND gate? That is A dot B whole complement. So that can be equals to A complement plus B complement. In our first theorem we have changed plus sign into dot sign, whereas in this second theorem we have to change this dot sign into plus sign. That means this add is replaced into OR. This is the Boolean equation of our NAND gate. This is equivalent to bubbled OR gate. So this second theorem is stated as complement of product is equal to the sum of the complements. Complement of product equal to the sum of the individual complements. That is, NAND gate is equivalent to bubbled OR gate. NAND is equivalent to bubbled OR gate. Clear? Now it's truth table. For truth table again we have two inputs. So possible combinations are 4. That's are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So for the first condition, when our inputs are A equals to 0 and B equals to 0. For this condition, what is our LHS? Left hand side will be, that is A dot B whole complement. Now put the values of A and B in this, we get 0 dot 0 complement. Now make multiplication first. Dot indicates that here operation will be multiplication. So 0 multiplied by 0, that is our 0 complement. Take its complement, that will be 1. For RHS will be A complement plus B complement. Now again put the values of A and B, that is 0 complement plus 0 complement. Now take individual complements. This is 1 plus 1 equals to 1. Again, we can form the truth table. Truth table inputs A, B, left hand side A dot B whole complement, right hand side A complement plus B complement. Now complete this truth table like this. First condition 0 0, LHS will be 1, RHS will be 1. Clear? Now for second condition will be after 0 0 we have 0 1. Now again put the value of B as 1, change the value of B here, that is again now we have 1. So 0 dot 1 multiplication, 0 multiplied by 1, that is 0, that remains as it is, so its complement will be 1. For right hand side again change the value of B here, that should be 1. So 0 complement is 1, now 1's complement will be 0. So 1 plus 0 is again 1. So again we have got LHS equals to RHS. This is 1, this is also 1. So in this way, for condition number 3rd and 4th, you can find out the values of LHS and RHS for 1 0 and 1 1. Here we get for 1 0, here should be 1, here should be 1, and for 1 1 output will be 0. Clear? So you get these two conditions by solving this equation in this way. Clear? So this is our De Morgan's first as well as second theorem. First theorem is used for NOR gate, whereas this second theorem is used for NAND gate. In first theorem, we can say that NOR gate can be replaced by bubbled AND gate, and second theorem that NAND gate is replaced by bubbled OR gate. Clear? आता तुम्हाला हे समजलं नाही समजलं, you understood or not, please give me reply in comment box.